So now let's see how we can work around with shaping commands inside of Corel Draw. So to do that, I'm going to go ahead and bring in this shape right here and bring in this shape. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go ahead and color this shape right here one color and this particular shape here this color. If I were to go ahead and select these out right here and then click on the top, you can see that the shaping commands are here now. Click on this and then both of them gets combined. You notice that the shape color right here actually turns to green after I combine it. Let me just press Ctrl Z a few times right here. You can see that it changes into green. That is because the object that is selected at last is what is taken as a reference for the color. So let's say, for example, if I were to hold Shift and select these out right here and then click, you can see that now as the rectangular shape is the one that is last selected, it actually takes that reference right there. Let me just press Ctrl Z. So that is how you can combine out shapes. And what you can also do is you can weld them together so that you don't get the lines right here. So that is another option right here. I can bring in another shape right here. Let's say, for example, let me just fill it out with a color and then select it. And then let me just go select all right here and you can weld them out together as well. Let me just press Ctrl Z, and what you can also do is you can trim it out right here. And once you trim it, you can see that the bottom layer right here gets trimmed by the top layer right here. So if I were to go around and select it right here, I can go ahead and trim it out on the bottom right here just like this. So this is what you have. So if I were to go around and select this right here, you can also go around and intersect it out. And what happens is that an intersection shape is created right here just like this as well. If I were to go ahead and select out both of the shapes right here, then you can see that I also have front minus back right here, so that the front shape actually goes ahead and then is cut by the bottom shape right here. Apart from that, you got back minus shape right here just like this, and it actually minuses out the shape. And what you can also do is you can select, let's say, for example, multiple shapes right here and then choose a create boundary. Once you do that, what happens is that it actually creates out a boundary of the shape right here as a separate shape, as you can see right here. And this is an independent shape on its own right here just like this. And that is how you can go ahead and utilize the shaping commands inside of Corel Draw. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.